So let's get into how to put the plugin into FL Studio. So obviously get your FL Studio open like this. This is FL Studio. I don't know whichever version you're using. This is File, and I'm going to go to Add. And you can see more plugins. Hit more plugins. Obviously, you see a list of plugins you already have and plugins that you have scanned already by opening FL Studios. So there's a list over there. Now, if you can't find the plugin you're looking for and you're sure you've installed it already, if it's not on this list, you can easily go to Manage Plugins, or you can try to find it. But I can already see what I'm looking for. It's not on my list, so no need to even search. I'm just showing you how to search. So you can easily go to Manage Plugins. Now you can find a list of every plugin on your system. Now, if you go to the right here, left hand corner, you will see a lot of plugin search path, whatever. So you can pick where you think the plugin is installed when you install the plugin, either in your C drive, your desktop, your documents. Add the file of where it's installed. Click on rescan previous verified plugins just to make sure everything is rescanned. Then go on the top and press scan. Start scan. It will go through everything in your system, all the plugins where they can be, both video or audio. You have to be very careful when picking. Then you should see all the list of everything you need over here. Right here, you see me activating some, because if they are not checked, it means they are not activated. So I can click on whichever one I see, I need, like I'm doing right now. You can see me clicking on them to activate them to show in my FL Studio so I can use them for my projects. So this is me hitting on them. Eventually I'm going to click or just exit because I'm clicking on everything I need. As you can see, the ones that didn't show up before are showing up now. This is just an example. Then eventually you click the X, and you're done. It's that simple. It's that simple. Go into your add, you see the plugins, add plugins, go to manage, click the folder it's in, scan, shows up, activate it. Here I'm trying to add the plugin to whatever project I'm working on. See all the plugins showing up already. It's so simple. Hit it up, run it, have fun with it, create magic. And that's what we do on this channel. Go straight to the point, no back and forth, no long story, man. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope this will help you out. If you didn't, drop your comments. Let me know what you think. Subscribe if you love to see quick videos like this without any stress. And I'll keep dropping what you need me to drop. Peace out. Have fun.